Hi everyone, I'm from Women Cosmetics and today we are going to do quick lilac eyes and lip blur. So I have already applied a lipstick. I'll tell you how to do a lip blur first and then we will move on to the eyes. So let's do it. For lip blur, you take a concealer of your shade, like a little bit lighter than your shade, and apply it a little bit like this. You take a beauty blender, you blend it like this. Oh, do you see the lip blur effect? Wow, it gives me very nice lips. This is basically used by Korean people. We don't do here in India or in US or in UK. Mostly Korean people do it. They like to do it as a part of their makeup routine. But yeah, it actually looks nice when I look at it now, and yeah, it looks nice. So let us do the eyes. So we're gonna take all the lilac colors, the lilac family. So here it is. And first I'm going to take the lightest color fall for do my first crease. So it's like this. My god, such a beautiful color it is, isn't it? Now now we are going to be taking a little darker color than this. So this would be this one. And we are going to make double crease. So one crease is with lighter color, another is with darker color, which shows that there is a transition between the two. And now comes the main color, which will be this shiniest, brightest lilac. And we apply it like this. Don't worry about the green color. It's just that the color sometimes leaves stains and it doesn't get removed, but it has no color which comes out. It's the same. Now you can apply some underneath. Oh, I love that. I love that color. Wow. My god, the eyes look so pretty. I mean, you can add some glitter if you want. I really like to add it today. So, to add glitter, I'm just using something similar because, what do I use? So, I'm using this glitter eyeshadow a little bit. And adding a little bit shine in the middle part of this. Wow, isn't it amazing? The eyes looks just perfect. And now let us highlight it a little bit. So this is the highlighter. I'm gonna highlight the brow bone first. Wow. And now the inner corner. Love how it, brightens instantly. How nice it looks. Great. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you're gonna try this at home. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.